when well abroad can be stressful. In this video, we'll cover useful pharmacy vocabulary, a short dialogue, and frequently confused words, so you can confidently speak for yourself in a pharmacy or with a medical professional. Good morning! What are your favourite hiding spots? It's almost time for my appointment. Can I walk there or should I take a bus? Hi everyone, and welcome to Just Saying. In the UK, a pharmacy is a place where you can buy medicine, get advice from the pharmacist, and collect prescriptions from your doctor. In British English, the words pharmacy and chemist are often used interchangeably. A chemist is the shop, and the pharmacist is the trained professional who works there. First, let's mention the most frequent issues that bring people to the pharmacy, just to make sure you're prepared if you ever need to use them. These include cold and flu symptoms, headaches and mild pain relief, allergies and hay fever, stomach problems such as indigestion, constipation or diarrhea, skin issues such as rashes or eczema, minor wounds and burns. Now, let's look at some other useful words you might hear or use in a pharmacy. Over-the-counter medicine is medicine you can buy without a prescription, so you don't need to see your doctor first. A prescription is a note from your doctor that allows you to get certain medicine. You need a prescription for some medicine, but not all of them. A repeat prescription is a prescription you can use again, usually for long-term medication. Painkillers are medicines that reduce pain, for example headaches or toothache. Cold and flu medicine helps with symptoms such as blocked nose, sore throat and fever. Cough syrup is a liquid medicine used to treat a cough. Non-drowsy option is a medicine that doesn't make you feel sleepy. Side effects are unwanted effects that medicine can cause, such as feeling sleepy or sick. A topical treatment is something you apply directly on skin, not something you swallow. Tablets are small pills you swallow with water. These phrases are completely natural and polite in a UK pharmacy. I'd like something for a headache. Do you have anything for a cold? I have a sore throat. Is it available without a prescription? How often should I take it? Hi, how can I help? I think I'm coming down with something. I've got a sore throat and a runny nose. Can you recommend anything, please? Sorry to hear you're feeling unwell. It sounds like the start of a cold. Have you had any fever or chest tightness? A bit of low-grade fever last night, but nothing major. No chest pains, just feeling tired and congested. Okay, that's typical of a cold. Are you currently on any medication or have any allergies? No medication or allergies. You can choose from those choices of over-the-counter medication to help relieve your blocked nose and sore throat. You can also use a saline nasal spray if you feel very congested. And make sure to rest and keep your fluids up. Sounds good. Is there anything I should watch out for? If your symptoms get worse after a few days, or if you start getting short of breath, or if you start experiencing high fever, please contact your GP. Most colds should clear on their own in about a week. Perfect. Thanks a lot. There are also a few cultural points that can help you feel more confident in a pharmacy. In the UK, pharmacists often ask questions and give advice. This is completely normal and very helpful. Pharmacies are often quite busy, so short, clear answers are perfectly fine. If you need privacy, many pharmacies have a private consultation room. And remember, you can always ask questions if you're not sure about something. Before we finish, let's clear up a couple of words that learners often confuse when talking about pharmacies. A prescription is a note from your doctor that allows you to get certain medicine. A receipt is a piece of paper that shows you paid for something. So you get a prescription from your doctor and a receipt after you pay. A pharmacist is the trained professional who gives medical advice and prepares medicine. A chemist is the shop where you buy medicine. In the UK, people often say chemist instead of the pharmacy. Pharmacist is the professional who works in the pharmacy. Chemist is the shop where you buy medicine. Today, you learned pharmacy vocabulary, useful phrases, and what to expect in a British pharmacy. In the comments, write one sentence you could use in a pharmacy. For example, I'd like something for a headache. Thanks for watching! If you learned something new today, please like this video and let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you'd like to see another video like this one every week. And follow me on social media for more tips on speaking fluent English. Bye!